are still not on Hangtime. We're back in Hawaii. We lived in Hawaii before we got on the boat, and we do love it here. Very happy to be home, but anxiously awaiting our green card to arrive in the mail. Kind of just run into the mailbox each day.
Oh, you're putting on me now. Aloha.
We're the cooks, and this is our boat, Hangtime. We've spent the last 2 years getting to know how to sail and having some great adventures along the way. The best is yet to come. Join us as we continue to explore the world on our floating home.
We are passing one of my favorite parts of Maui here, Hokipa. So we're just gonna go around the corner and see. Oh my gosh, there's swell. Take a look.
What?
Look at the surfers. Okay, that's pretty big.
Oh wow. Yeah.
That's totally legit.
Oh, Maui is so awesome. Even though we want to be on Hangtime, it feels really good to be home.
These are some nice waves, Charlie.
What do you think, you little groms back there? You gonna get out on that water or what?
I want to.
I would want it to be double the size and crashing on the shore.
What a...
Oh yeah, you're tough.
No, it will be really cool.
Oh wow, look. Oh, we just got in between sets.
Closer in. No, there's a couple groups of them.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at
That was a good set. They came
You
through.
passed the flip. You passed the flip. You passed the flip.
Oh, it's so awesome. Yeah, so still waiting for our green card to come. We had renters in our house before, but the renters moved out, so since we really had no place else to go, we came out to Hawaii. We were able to do the safe traveler test and get home for the holidays. We're gonna hang here until the new year, and we're just enjoying some of the beauty of Hawaii. Char, where are we heading?
We are going to the bamboo hike, or bamboo forest.
Yep. Expecting mud, rivers, hopefully some waterfalls, and some bamboo. We'll see what it's like.
And then I can be like my monkey self when I was little.
So they got a good picture of our van. This is our whip here in Maui. We sold the other car, so we're down to one. Called the garage. It holds all our surfboards, kite gear, scooters, all that jazz. Yeah, so it's very practical here.
And somewhat comfortable.
And somewhat comfortable. It's actually pretty cool because you sit higher than the guardrails. So you get to see a lot on these drives along the north shore here of Maui. So I've been here over a month, no green card. Waiting anxiously. We have not spent much time researching where we're going to go. We can talk about it all day, but we actually need to kind of plan in early January once we get the green cards and know that we are getting back there soon. So until then, we'll let you know where we're headed. It's still a bit up in the air. And in the meantime, we are just enjoying this island.
say it was a hit, the Mammoth Forest. Yeah, super cool. You can see probably being really crowded other times, but no, not very many people, and just kind of a few river crossings, swimming. It was awesome. Beautiful jumping off the rope swing. And now I think we probably should go watch the sunset, go to the beach. I don't know, find something else to do. There's lots to do on this amazing island.
We enjoyed this sunset and many more. Being on land certainly has its perks, and we were so happy to be in our own home to celebrate the holidays.
Benny's doing some Christmas cards. Do you want to show us the Christmas card? There we are.
So we made homemade soap from Ben and Charlie, which is us. And we made homemade bark. And we are going to deliver it to pretty much everybody we know in this neighborhood. And also, I think we're going to deliver it to some random people, COVID safe. Like people around the neighborhood, we drop it at their door, and we just walk back and we ring the doorbell, and then we just say Merry Christmas. They're pooing.
They're pooping.
And looks like Eve made an accident.
Why?
Oh, that Eve.
The elf isn't even house trained.
Look at the toilet paper.
Maui is a magical place. The beauty and charm of this island cast a spell over everyone who visits. The whales arrive to mark the start of winter. An estimated 10,000 humpback whales make the journey to the warmer waters of Hawaii for their breeding season. The females arrive pregnant and give birth shortly thereafter. They spend a few months in our local waters and in the spring make the 3,000-mile journey back to Alaska. The whales can regularly be seen from most beaches. Waterspouts, splashing, and breaching. It's one of the things that makes Maui so special to me. Even though we have lived here for 7 years, we are not immune to her siren song. As excited as we are to get back to Hangtime, we're loving every day we have here. Of course, we found some house projects to dive into, but we're doing our best to get out, enjoy the beautiful beaches, and of course, our favorite activity on Maui, kitesurfing. Prior to buying the boat, we traveled for 2 years trying to visit the best kiting destinations in the world. We visited Mauritius, Sri Lanka, the Philippines, and many, many more. After landing in Maui, we couldn't leave. Even after all these years, I'm still totally stoked to kite here, especially in the winter when the North Shore kicks up those famous Maui waves.
Thank you.
Oh, we're on video. Hey.
There.
Incredible day of kiting today. So it was madness out on North Shore of Maui today. Windsurfers are doing aerials, kites were going up 50, 60 feet in the air.
Jet skis running.
I got blown off my board, nice sized waves. We got some footage on the water today of all the action, so really hoping it turns out here.
Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera still, but wow. Yeah, super, super fun. One of my favorite things on Maui, and a big reason as to why we moved here is because of the kiting, because it is so good. And today was epic, really good.
A good day?
Life on Maui is not so bad. I mean, we miss Hangtime, but it's pretty good living around here.